What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $50 for every click. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, guys, a lot of you guys are not typing the code word. I think I maybe saw a few of them in my last video in the comment section. Guys, if you see the code word, just type it down there in the comment section. It's going to help you increase your chances to win this free money once I announce the winners, once I reach 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully be at the end of this month of October. So please look out for the code word. Now, this method here, I want to give a shout out to this YouTuber. His name Digital Millionaire. I saw him talk about this method. So it was a good, very, very good method. So I said, let me share this with my audience, my supporters, so they can start making this money with this method. So I want to give a shout out to Digital Millionaire. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because you need to understand this completely. And if you don't watch it all the way to the very end, you're not going to understand how to make this money with this method. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this site right about now. All right, family, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Level Rewards. Now, like I said before earlier, don't just go ahead and try to start this right now. You have to understand. So let me go ahead and read everything that's on here so you can understand everything that you need to do. All right, so what it says here, level up, share, and earn rewards. Of course, it's free to sign up. So right here, we promote high-paying offers from a variety of big name brands. So that's how this site works, and this is how the site pays people. Now, it says here, let me move this out the way. It says here, Level Rewards pays daily. Be sure to join our Facebook group where all members post proof of payments they receive. Now, you guys always be hollering about where the proof. I'm going to show you the proof today that you can get paid from this website. Now, I'm going to show you that later on in this video. Let's go ahead and read a little bit more about this website, because you're going to have to really, really listen closely to understand how to make this money on this website. All right, so you're going to complete free and cheap offers to level up. Now, you're going to have offers where they're free, where you can go ahead and complete the offer. You don't have to pay anything. Now, they got cheap offers. Now, The reason why they got cheap offers is because if you do the cheap offers, you're going to get paid more money. So a little money is going to make you a lot more money. But you can just go ahead and do it free. Do the free offers. You're going to make some money that way too. So it says here, each offer is worth a certain number of credits based on its commission. The credits of every offer you complete are added up, and every $1 credit puts you up one level. So it's all about levels, guys. So every time you get one credit, $1 credit, you're going to go up a level. And from my knowledge, the levels can go up all the way to 80, 90 levels up. And each level, you're going to be making some money. Your money is going to increase. So each level increases your earning potential. You'll earn $5 per level your referrals reach, but you can earn beyond, but you can't earn beyond your own level. So what they're saying is, guys, once you refer, because this site is really all about referring people, so you're going to have to refer some people. But once you get a referral on there, once they start going up on levels, you're going to get paid for every level they go up. But you have to stay above them. You have to be above them for you to make some money off of them. Hope you understand that. All right, so share your link with friends on social media. So that's how you're going to get your referrals. So Level Rewards is a referral incentive program that incentivize, I hope I said that right, incentivize users to complete offers by getting paid to refer friends. Referral incentive offers typically pay much higher than direct GPT get paid to offers. So you want to focus on sharing this link you're going to get once you sign up with all your friends on social media, because the more people you get to sign up with this and start completing these offers, the more money you're going to make. And so it says here, the more you and your referrals level up, the more you earn. Every time your referrals level up, you'll be able to request payment for their completions as long as they are not beyond your level. That's what I said before. They can't be beyond your level. You have to be above them. Build a good relationship with your referrals and you'll continually earn. So I hope you understand that, guys. Again, if you don't understand how this works, just leave a comment down below, or you can go to the frequently asked questions and it goes in more detail. And lastly, it says here, start leveling up now and then join us in our group and training site. So that's they have a training site on here. You can get on there and learn how this app is work. Learn about everything, how this works, and you can start leveling up and even make it even more money. So before I go ahead and get off this website, and one other thing, this payout through PayPal, I'm going to show you right now that people are getting paid through PayPal. So we're going to click here where it says join our proof pick group. So this is their Facebook group. So let me show you right quick. Here's some payment proof right here. This person got $5. And this person right here, and her name is Lachey Mason. So far, she have earned $2,500 from this website. Wow. And then right here shows what level she's on and all the money she's made through all this right here, completing offers and stuff. It's something else, guys. And it's not even that hard. The offers are not that hard at all. And let's scroll down and just look at some more. See, this person right here got $30. And this person right here so far have earned $2,845. Wow. Courtney Lee. Whew. And matter of fact, you were paid for a total of 569 levels completed by your referrals. So this person here is really getting a lot of referrals and making a lot of money. So what it is, guys, when you go up on levels, when you level up and you have a whole bunch of your friends or your referrals leveling up, they're going to add all those levels up, and that's the money you're going to receive from all these levels, guys. This is crazy. So that's all I'm going to show you. Here's one made $30. That's all I'm going to show you. You can come to this group right here and look at all the people that's making money from this site. So, guys, I think this is a perfect way to make some money, and it doesn't just stop at a certain amount. As long as you keep going up the levels and referring people and they keep going up, the money gonna keep increasing, guys. All right, so if you're ready to go ahead and start leveling up, go ahead and go to Level Rewards. The URL is getlevelrewards.com. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, make sure you hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please look out for the code word that pops up in this video and type that down in the comments below. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day and sometimes every day. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Please check out my podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Link is in the description. I talk about increasing your personal finance and personal development. And I also have a channel under the same name called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. On there, I show videos about making money online over there too, but I also talk about how to increase your personal finance and personal development on that channel. So help me get to 1,000 subscribers over there. And I might do a giveaway. I might do a giveaway on that channel. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you drop a creative comment in the comments, because I might start doing a shout out. I might, look at a comment. If I like what they're saying, I might do a shout out. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on.